Hey everyone, and welcome back to another how-to with Chef. Today Chef's going to show us how to make some carrots. He wants to give a special shout out to his wife's aunt, Aunt TT, for delivering this. Chef loves her carrots, so he asked for the recipe, and she delivered. So we think you're going to really enjoy this video. Without further ado, let's get cooking. The first thing you're going to do is get some carrots from the store. You're going to peel them and then cut the ends off. Next up, with a nice sharp knife, you're going to go ahead and cut the carrot in half. And of course, always be very careful. Carrots are very dense and you don't want the knife to slip, so use caution. Cut the carrot in half again. And if they are long, you can cut them in half lengthwise. In the end, you want these to be close together as they can, size-wise. Go ahead and put a pot on the stove, high heat, and then cold water. Put your carrots right in there. Put the lid on and let it heat up. When it comes to a boil, Chef's just going to go ahead and throw some salt in there for some seasoning and then let these continue to boil. You want to check these, so stir them occasionally, check them with a fork. You don't want them to fall apart, but you don't want them to be too crisp, so just keep checking them. When a fork goes in nice and smooth but they're not falling apart, you can take them out. Okay, now Chef's going to go ahead and throw a sliver of butter in there. And if you don't want to use butter, you can use a little bit of olive oil, but butter's perfect. He moved these to a bowl just so he can kind of stir these around and mix them up easier. And then he's going to plate these up. And that's really all you need, Chef said. You don't got to add any other seasonings. The salt that was in the water and the little bit of butter that you add is just enough flavoring. These are super delicious. You can cut them with a fork. They melt in your mouth. Delicious carrots. Very healthy, nutritious, a great side dish or vegetable to go with any meal. And we hope you definitely try this one out. Chef says he loves them, and he thinks you will too. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and check out some of our other videos as well as our blog. And don't forget, everyone, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.